Welcome back and thank you for joining me. Another video from Yevgeny, and today Yevgeny will replace the xenon bulbs on his 2015 Volvo XC70. Since my car has halogen, he's gonna show it on his Volvo. These are the bulbs that he got. It's aftermarket Philips D1S xenon bulbs. You can see the original part number from Volvo. Let's unpack and take a look at the bulb itself. Here is the information at the bottom of the package if you want to order the same ones. And later on we will show you the difference between factory installed and these aftermarket Philips bulbs. Here is the bulb itself. To replace the bulbs, we'll need to take out the headlights. We're gonna open the hood. Pull out those retaining sticks upwards. Carefully pull out the headlight. And you need to press on this tab and pull the connector off the headlight assembly. This is a good time to check the connector for any corrosion or signs of degradation of the contacts. Looks very good here. At the back we've got two covers. The left round one hides the turn signal bulb. And the main cover, which is held by three clips, holds the bi-xenon bulb and the additional halogen high beam bulb. We're gonna open them up. Pull on the tab to open the cover, and this reveals the turn signal bulb here. Pull the bulb towards you. And installation in reverse. You can't go wrong here because there is little dots on the bulb housing. And just plug it back into position. And reinstalling the cover. Three tabs that hold the main cover: 1, 2, and 3. The metal tab just pull to the side, and the rest of the tabs you need some kind of tool like a screwdriver or whatever you have, just to help it out, to lift it up a little bit, just like that, and at the same time pushing with the finger down. The cover itself has a weather seal all around it. These are the two tabs on top, be careful not to break them, and the two permanent ones at the bottom. On the left is your xenon bulb, on the right is your halogen bulb, and in the middle we can see the mechanism that adjusts the angle of the beam relevant to the horizon. Let's remove the high beam halogen bulb. The holder that holds the bulb, you wanna push upwards on it, and then just use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop it out. And once it's out, you're gonna see much better what's going on. So here is the bulb and the holder out. Detach the bulb from the holder, just pull it off, and you have the bulb in your hand. Now what's going on inside is that you have those 3 metal tabs. These tabs hold the bulb in place pretty tight, so you want to use a small flathead screwdriver to help get it out and back in. The bulb slides on the upper tab, and then you push downwards to engage the 2 bottom metal tabs. If we look closer at the bulb itself, this top metal tab is the one that's gonna slide first in the housing, and then you push it downwards to engage it into position. We're gonna do it next. In reverse, reinstall the bulb into the holder. Now direct the upper tab of the bulb upwards. You wanna slide it in first, and then you're gonna push on the holder down, and it should engage. If it doesn't, use a small screwdriver just to push it in, and it will engage. And it's in. Now to the Xenon bulb. We're gonna take it out. First we need to detach the connector. Now when you pull on the connector down, hold the bulb in position with your other hand. The retaining clip that holds the bulb, you wanna push on it inwards and then slide it to the right to open it up. This is the original factory bulb. It's gonna be the first time Evgeny replaces the Xenon bulbs on his Volvo. We're gonna compare to the aftermarket bulb that he got. Let's take a look at the pictures. Left is the factory and on the right is the new aftermarket. And as you can see, they're pretty much identical. Another shot. The left is the original factory installed and the aftermarket on the right. Let's reinstall the new bulbs. Installation is in reverse. Just slide carefully the new bulb into position. Push the retaining clip inwards and slide it to the left. This holds the Xenon bulb in position, and reattach the electrical connector. This completes the swap of the Xenon bulbs, pretty easy. Now we can reinstall the cover. Start with the 2 bottom plastic tabs, slide them in, and then push on the cover to engage all the clips. Now we can reinstall the headlight assembly onto the car and check the operation of the bulbs. Reconnect the connector. Slide the retaining metal tabs into position. And a few tips: make sure to replace the bulbs in pairs. Don't get the cheap ones, get a brand name bulb. Also, those bulbs, they degrade over time, they can flicker, they can change color temperature. So if you wanna have optimal lighting, replace those bulbs sooner than later. I hope that you like this video. Let's thank Evgeny again for taking the time to record this. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.